You've probably seen facial ice rollers in beauty stores or on social media, but have you ever wondered what actually happens when that cold roller glides over your face? It's not magic, it's a clever combination of science, blood flow, and gentle stimulation, and today, we're uncovering the hidden secrets behind this tiny gadget. Facial ice rollers are popular because they promise several benefits: reducing puffiness around the eyes, tightening the skin, improving blood circulation, soothing irritation or redness. They're cheap, portable, and easy to use. But there's more than just surface-level appeal. The cold triggers real physiological responses in your skin. When your skin gets cold, blood vessels constrict. This reduces swelling and puffiness. Nerve endings calm down, making skin feel less irritated. Circulation rebounds after warming. Blood rushes back in, giving a healthy glow. It's similar to how athletes use ice packs after a workout, except here, the roller is precise and gentle for the face. You might wonder, why not just hold an ice cube to your face? Rolling has advantages. It spreads the cold evenly across the skin. The gentle pressure stimulates lymphatic drainage, helping remove toxins and excess fluid. It encourages a relaxing massage effect. So the roller is not just cold, it's also about movement and stimulation. Many people use ice rollers specifically under their eyes. The cold tightens tiny blood vessels, reduces fluid buildup, makes puffiness less noticeable. While it doesn't eliminate dark circles permanently, it can visibly refresh your look in minutes, perfect for mornings or after a late night. Another interesting benefit: using a facial ice roller after applying creams or serums. The cold helps products penetrate deeper, calms any irritation from active ingredients, leaves skin feeling firm and refreshed. It's like giving your skincare routine a little extra boost without harsh treatments. Rolling ice over your face isn't just physical, it's also psychological. The cold sensation can relieve tension, reduce stress, give a mini meditative moment. In other words, it's a small ritual that helps you feel refreshed, awake, and relaxed. While facial ice rollers are generally safe, there are some tips. Wrap the roller in a thin cloth if it's extremely cold. Avoid rolling too hard or on broken skin. Limit sessions to 5 to 10 minutes per area. Clean your roller after each use to prevent bacteria. Small precautions ensure maximum benefit without irritation. So, the mystery behind facial ice rollers isn't magic, it's science. Constricting blood vessels to reduce puffiness, stimulating circulation for a natural glow, calming the skin and nerves, enhancing skincare routines, even helping your mind feel a little more relaxed. It's simple, effective, and surprisingly satisfying. Next time you see a facial ice roller, remember, it's not just a trendy gadget, it's a tiny tool with a big impact on your skin and mood.